Okay, well, 2022 is over. Two 2023 it's just starting. That's one Neiman. Nice. So this is all over from my balcony. Look at this. Everybody's celebrating the end of the damn pandemic. Oh yeah. Katie. Look. So we're ready for a great 2023, lots of travel. Boom, man. So you got night safari down there, you got Hang Dong. You got across the Ping River there, Old City. Central Plaza, Central Airport. Jesus, it's still going off. Nice. At least the wind's not blowing at us. That's awesome. Okay, so scan the horizon. Okay, too much going on. So all those lights you see in the background, oh, big ones there, Katie. Holy cow, look at that. Look at that, Katie. Look. That's spectacular. Looks like it's coming through our window. Yeah. Oh, mama. So, all the lanterns you see right there in the sky. Those are from Taipei Gate, and those are all kind of bamboo frames with paper on the sides and a candle kind of on the inside, and you let this thing let the hot air get inside this thing and they just float. And you write your wishes down on the exterior of this this paper. And supposedly it works. Happy New Year, everybody. It's now officially 2023. I believe it's the year of the rabbit. Wow, that was pretty awesome. I'm filming it from our balcony here in Chiang Mai. That looks like a big one. It's about 60 degrees. Very cool. We have a cold front that moved in from China. It's going to affect us for the next couple days. Man, the fireworks are still going off down to the south, Angdong area. Even to the Ping River. Happy New Year, everybody.